The following is an emergency transmission requested by Hypnos. At approximately 1422, an uncontained entity, identified as Megidramon, breached structural containment following a severe digital decay event in the Shinjuku district. Residents are advised that this anomaly displays aggressive biological and electronic capabilities. Exposure to its presence causes severe hardware degradation, thermal hazards, and reality distortions. Do not look out your windows. Do not look into active digital screens. If you hear a low growl or rumbling, cover your head and remain still. Do not look outside. Do not respond to strange voices. Signal transmission lost. Override in progress. Signal transmission lost. Override in progress. Signal transmission lost. Override in progress.
Everything is okay now. Come outside. Takato, why are you running? Takato,